This video will show how we can track the journal entries associated with labor as they relate to manufacturing orders. So first step here will be to create a manufacturing order, and we will go ahead here and create, and you'll see we can save it. Check availability, we have our product in stock, and we can plan our work orders here, and we'll just go ahead and actually process it. And I'll click process. So this is actually the back end view, but this is the front end view. So as we will wait just a second to let some time aggregate so that we can see actual results on our time spent and the actual total cost of that labor, and we'll just mark that MO as done. So that manufacturing order has been complete, and that was manufacturing order number 2 that we did, and you can see that was just completed now. Now when we look at cost analysis, we'll see we paid $50 for the raw material, and then we can see the operation, total working time, cost per hour, and the total cost here is 68 cents for labor on this MO, on this manufacturing order. Now when we actually go to accounting, and if we look at our journal entries, here we'll see an entry for $50.68 for manufacturing order number 2. And if we look at a profit and loss, here we will see, this is, I didn't invoice for this, so I won't see it on cost of goods sold yet, but you'll see down here for labor, we have 68 cents specified as an expense right here on the profit and loss. And then as we actually invoice for this and pay for the labor expense, it will then obviously push it through product sales and then eventually through cost of goods sold. Now, what you'll do to actually see it go through accounts payable is we'll look at vendor, create a bill, and we can create a bill here. Vendor could be ADP, add a product, and we'll call this just labor payment for July. The account will be labor, and then here you'll put your total amount. We'll just say 0.68, and we can go ahead and actually validate this. And what will happen, of course, is here the journal entries posted, and we have credit, AP, debit, labor, and then when we go look at our profit and loss report here, you'll see that labor has been zeroed out. So that in a nutshell is how you can see the way that work orders and the journal entries associated to account for labor will carry through from production through all the way through accounts payable. If you have any additional questions, or if you want me to go into more detail here in terms of how to track labor as it relates to manufacturing orders, please feel free to reach out and let me know. Thanks so much and have a great day.